Hi, my name is Morgan and this is my story. I've tried a number of products, shampoos, conditioners, tablets, oils, sprays, you name it, I've tried it, extensions. I needed something permanent and so that I didn't have to worry about it and I can just live my life the way I want to live it. So my expectations at the moment, after seeing a number of people with their CNCs on, I'm really looking forward to having my piece on me. I just know I'm in good hands and it's going to look great, so I'm really excited. What brought me to Carla and CRLab was I came across her actually on social media and saw a before and after picture and I couldn't believe what I'd seen. When it was getting put on, it didn't feel like anything was going on at first, I'll be honest. When she was throwing my head back and forward, first of all, didn't get any warning, but it was the weirdest thing because I thought it was gonna fly forward.
That's it.
Oh, if there's someone that's going through a similar thing that's thinking about getting it, I mean, it exceeded all my expectations. I was really nervous going into it, not gonna lie. It is a big change. It falls in the front of my face, frames my face. Yeah, it feels great. So I'm very happy, very happy.